Hey, welcome back. This is question 3 of the midterm review packet. The question says, one difference between linear functions and exponential functions is that linear functions change by, we're talking about linear functions. 1, equal factors over equal intervals. 2, unequal factors over equal intervals. 3, equal differences over equal intervals. Or 4, unequal differences over equal intervals. Let's quickly draw an example of a linear function. So it could look something like this. You know that it has a constant rate of change. That's what we know about linear functions. And what that means is that the rate of change here is the same as the rate of change here, is the same as the rate of change here. Well, we've never talked about unequal anything when it comes to linear functions. That eliminates choice 2 and choice 4. Now we have choice 1 and 3, equal factors or equal differences. A factor means to multiply, and a difference means to add or subtract. So let's give an example of this linear function. Imagine that this is the amount of money you have every day. So the amount of money changes by a constant amount. Now, are we multiplying every day or are we adding or subtracting every day? With a linear function, it's like you're adding or subtracting. Every day, let's say you gain $1. You gain $1 during this day, $1 during that day. So what that means is that every day you're adding the same amount, which means it's an equal difference over an equal interval. So by the same logic, an exponential function, well, we can get rid of 2 and 4 again because we know that with an exponential function, and I'll draw one out here, you start with this and it goes up. So you remember we talked about this when we talked about giving Obo the same factor of money every day. On day 1, he might want $2, but on day 2, he wants double that. Keeps doubling every day. So I don't have to keep going because you know what it's going to be. So now every day, let me make this line here. So every day it's multiplying by the same amount. You're not getting the same $2 every day. The amount that you're giving Mr. Obo is multiplying by 2. And what that means is that with an exponential, it's increasing by equal factors because it's multiplying by the same amount. You're not adding or subtracting. All right. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.